Hello and welcome back to Girls with Wisdom. My name is Karina Coletti and today I'm going to show you how to do binary search in Python. Binary search is a basic algorithm that you will be needing to use, and it's one of the most important things you will learn in Python. There are a few things that are universal for all interviews, scholarships, any job applications for coding, and they're going to ask you for this basic. You need to ensure you have a strong foundation, as binary search is one of the things that you can implement in all of your codes. So the first thing you're going to need is a compiler. You're either able to use Spyder, Atom, Replit, whatever is more comforting to you. They have free online Java compilers as well, but you'll be very careful with your syntax, because that's one of the most important things for switching between languages frequently. You have to understand that Python doesn't use semicolons. Python also has different commenting keys. For example, Python uses the number sign, but Java will use this, but then HTML will use this. So you have to be very careful with what you're doing. So the first thing we're going to be doing is doing a binary search. So we have to create an A list, and we're going to open up a bracket and pick, I would say, how about numbers from 10 through 25? So 10, 11, and so forth. So you're going to be doing this. You can pick any variants of numbers you prefer. They all just have to be in a sequence similar to this. The next thing we're going to do is define it as binary search. One of the neat things about Python is you don't need to use camel case. So now you're going to press in list, comma, value. So it's going to be one of the basic things we're doing, and we're using a colon. See that in Java you will use a semicolon, but Python is a different language and you'll use a regular colon. Now you're going to do left underscore edge, and then comma right underscore edge. And you're going to set this to 0, but the length of the list minus 1. Okay, so after we have this done, we're going to do a while statement. So we're going to do while left underscore edge is less than or equal to right underscore edge. You have to do the middle is equal to left underscore edge plus parentheses right underscore edge minus 1. After this, you're going to do just this by 2. So you're just going to be dividing it. And then you're going to do an if list, parentheses middle, is equal, double equal for this value. Return middle. And then for Python, you don't do else if, you do elif. That's what they're used, and we're going to do elif list. And then we'll do middle. And now we're going to do a lesson sign of value. So after we have this done, we're going to do the left instead of the right. And what we're doing is going to write left underscore edge is equal to the middle plus 1. So be careful with what you're writing, and then we're going to do an else with a colon, and if that doesn't happen, we'll do the right underscore edge. And this is equal to the middle subtracted by 1. So make sure you're very careful with how you're wording it, and the issue here is I had too many. Now we're going to return it and just give ourselves a little space, and also watch out for indentations and write return subtracted by 1, and then a print statement, which is going to say print binary search, parentheses again, a underscore list, and then we'll just do comma 5. So now when we go to run it, it's going to print out -1. So this is what our binary search is going to print out. And if you would like to do it, you're able to change these while statements to an else if or if statements, and that will print out a different resultant, but giving you the same principle of a binary search, which is going to list the values of it all together. You're able to change all of these numbers as well to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. And then just get rid of this, and then you'll get a binary search of 4. It's very flexible and fun to do, and it's one of the things that you need to learn for your codes in the future. You can build off of binary searches when you're doing games in Python, and it's a very important tool that you will be asked if you're potentially wanting an internship or a job, and it's a great foundation. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to direct message us on Girls with Wisdom on Instagram or email us at girlswithwisdom@gmail.com. If you like this video to get personalized for a different language, just send us a message and we're more than happy to personalize a video or pair you with the mentor. Thank you and have a great day.